Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into WebAiry and confirming billing so provisioning proceeds without delays. Once logged in, pick the nearest region and a plan that matches your workload. CPU and RAM matter more than disk for compute-heavy tasks. Next, create the VPS instance and give it a clear host name. Choose SSH key authentication when possible because it's more secure than passwords. Make sure snapshots or backups are enabled if you need point-in-time recovery. You now connect to the new VPS using SSH. If the key fails, confirm permissions and agent forwarding. Once in, update the OS packages to close known vulnerabilities and reboot if kernels changed. After that, create a non-root user, add them to sudoers, and disable direct root login to reduce attack surface. Configure a basic firewall, allow SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS, and enable fail2ban or an equivalent to protect against. You finish by installing and configuring the services your project needs: web server, database, and runtime. Then test them on localhost before exposing ports. Once functioning, obtain TLS certificates either via certbot or enable WebAiry managed SSL, and confirm auto-renewal so HTTPS never lapses. Configure monitoring and scheduled backups, and store credentials and recovery procedures securely. If something goes wrong, check system logs and firewall rules first. If SSH fails, confirm network ACLs and the VPS console access for emergency recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.